Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Gordon Ramsay's easy oatmeal. First, gather your ingredients: 40 grams of rolled oats and 300 milliliters of water. A small pinch of salt is crucial for bringing out the best flavor. You'll also need a saucepan and a whisk. This simple recipe focuses on achieving a creamy texture and rich taste, making your breakfast truly satisfying. Let's get started with the cooking process. Now, let's cook. Combine the 40 grams of rolled oats, 300 milliliters of water, and your pinch of salt in a saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It's important not to boil it vigorously. Stir continuously with your whisk for about 3 to 5 minutes. This constant stirring is key to breaking down the oats and achieving that signature creamy, luxurious texture that Gordon Ramsay is known for. The secret to truly creamy oatmeal lies in the stirring. Keep whisking until the oats have absorbed most of the liquid and reached your desired consistency. If you prefer an even richer texture, you can stir in a splash of milk or cream at this stage. Gordon Ramsay emphasizes a smooth, velvety finish. Once it's perfectly creamy, serve your oatmeal immediately in a warm bowl to maintain its ideal temperature and enjoy the delicious outcome. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your perfectly cooked Gordon Ramsay-style oatmeal. Get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon are excellent choices. Toasted nuts or a dollop of Greek yogurt can also add wonderful texture and flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oatmeal water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and healthy breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.